Want to save money every time you fill up your tank in Australia? In this quick guide, I will show you how to find the cheapest petrol near you using free fuel apps. Let's get started. Petrol prices can change every single day and even vary by 30 to 50 cents per liter depending on the suburb. That's a big difference over time. There are free apps that shows you live fuel prices so you can choose the cheapest petrol station around you. Alright guys, so one of the best way to get a cheap fuel in Australia is the 7-Eleven fuel app. If you live near a 7-Eleven petrol station, this app can literally lock in the lowest price even if prices go up later. Here is how to use the 7-Eleven fuel app to lock in the best price. Number 1, download the 7-Eleven fuel app from the App Store or Google Play. Number 2, turn on location. The app will search for the lowest 7-Eleven fuel price in your area. Number 3, tap lock in price and it stays locked for 7 days. Number 4, when you go to fill up at any 7-Eleven station, simply scan the app and you will pay the lower locked in price even if the current price at the petrol station 7-Eleven anywhere in Australia is higher. For example, if you find E10 for $1.72 in a suburb 15 kilometers away from your house, lock it in. And 3 days later, fill up at your local 7-Eleven station where it is $1.89. You still pay $1.72. That's a real savings. The app isn't just about cheap fuel, it also offers free coffee rewards, discounts on snacks, exclusive in-store deals, weekly special on drinks and groceries, digital receipts and easy account management. This app alone can save you hundreds of dollars a year if you fill up regularly. Don't ignore it. Use the app every Monday or Tuesday when prices are usually lowest. Then fill up later in the week. Top fuel apps to download. Number 1, 7-Eleven fuel app. Number 2, Fuel Check NSW for New South Wales. Number 3, My Fuel NT for Northern Territory. Number 4, RACQ Fair Fuel Finder Queensland. Number 5, Fuel Watch WA Western Australia. Number 6, MotorMouth nationwide. Number 7, PetrolSpy Australia-wide. Alright, now let's take PetrolSpy. It's super easy to use. Steps: download from App Store or Google Play, open the app and turn on location. It will show you a map and a list of stations nearby. Choose the cheapest price and navigate there. Bonus tips: you can filter by fuel type E10, 91, 95, diesel, and sort by distance or price. A few extra tips to keep your fuel cost low: fill up midweek like Tuesday or Wednesday, usually cheaper. Avoid public holidays, prices spikes. Use loyalty programs like Woolworth Everyday Rewards and Coles Flyby. Avoid highway petrol stations, they are usually more expensive. So remember, download a fuel app, check before you drive, and always fill up when it's cheap. Try PetrolSpy, Fuel Watch, or your local state app today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your mates. Let's all save money on fuel together.